Hi, it's Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. I wanted to go through a video today to show you part of our trading model. It's a proprietary trading model. I've had a lot of people ask just to get a look at it, but since it is proprietary, I can't give away all the recipe. But what I'm going to show you today is the top part of the studies. We have two basic study packages that are interrelated, and one is the top band or top part of our studies as we refer to it, and the bottom half of our studies. So this is the top portion of our studies, part of it, and it just kind of gives you an idea of how visual this system is. So this is based on what I'm going to show you today is just based on a 5-minute time frame. We like to use multiple time frames for all of our trading, from day trading to swing trading, and this is just one time frame that we will look at, and that's the 5-minute. So what you're seeing here is the Apple chart for Friday, July the 12th, 5-minute time frame. And what happens when you have a really good trading model or trading tool, it's, in my opinion, an essential part of developing successful trading, because the more systematic and disciplined you are with your trading and the more rules, it helps take the emotion out of your trading. And so you want to try to make it as systematic as possible, and that's what we've been able to do with our Power Cycle trading model. So it's a very visual system. Like I said, we've got moving averages. It will change color when the slope changes. Here it goes from positive to negative and it turns red. The screen will turn background will turn green when it's lit up on certain indicators. So we have various support resistance levels that are automatically drawn. Fibonacci levels that are put in that we have automatically put up on every time frame based on certain parameters of the model. So we have a lot to trade off of, and it really helps you to day trade or swing trade when you have these various major support resistance zones. So here was an example of Apple. We had a volatility squeeze here indicated by the dots when it started, and the color coding here indicates the probability of it to, based on our model, to break to the downside, which it did. So it went from 426 on that break all the way down to a low of 423. Now this is step one, is to identify high probability trades. Step two is that when I'm trading stocks or ETFs, I like to incorporate weekly options. So this would have been a perfect place to have bought puts, or maybe sold out of the money calls, and take advantage of this move to the downside. So that's one way to play Apple with a really high probability directional system that we have. Here's another example. This is gold futures. This is the August contract. We trade a lot of gold futures, so we had a really nice trade set up here. This is a volatility squeeze, compression squeeze, and it started at about 12:35 Central, and it triggered with our purple dots. That indicates probability of direction to the upside, and this doesn't even show our other indicators, which also gave directional indication to the upside. But it did trigger to the upside. It went from 1278.40 right here, broke this major resistance level. You can see how it consolidated again, then popped higher, and went up to a high of 1284. So this move from the trigger right about here, 78 to 84, that's $600 a contract. Now the other way to trade this, and what we will do sometimes, is either for a swing trade, which we just did this week, we will incorporate weekly options. So instead of the gold futures right here, we could have bought weekly options, and I'll show you what that looked like. Now this is GLD. This is a chart showing you the 123 calls. These were expiring on Friday, and so when that trigger came on the gold futures, that was right at this time frame, about 3:10 Central, 1:10 Central. You could have bought the weekly options here for $60 a contract. You could have sold them off a little bit less than an hour later for $1.20, or 120. So that's 100% return in less than an hour. Defined risk of $60. So this is what we'll do a lot of. I've got a lot of different weekly option strategies that I teach at Power Cycle Trading, and this is just one of them that we've developed, and it works quite well. Now the other thing I wanted to show you is one last trade. This was pretty awesome as well, as on the NASDAQ futures. So this is the NASDAQ 100 futures in Q, and this again was on Friday, July the 12th. We had a nice trade set up here on the entry side. You can see the volatility compression squeeze here, and then it triggered right here at about 1220, consolidated again on this support level that's automated, and then had a huge move to the upside, following the moving average, trending the whole way. We have automated trend lines, as you can see, and then it made a high up here. This is a Fibonacci level that we have calculated, and we put in a sell order right here, what we call OCO, and just had it sitting there. So when NQ got up here, this came at about 3:55, right 5 minutes before the close. We went short and rode it all the way down and made over $100 a contract in less than, that was about 10 minutes. So it's a great system, very visual, and again, a lot of information. So if you'd like to learn how we use this customized package, it's an application that's an add-on. Come visit us or check my site out, Power Cycle Trading. I'm also having a weekly option boot camp this next Saturday, July 20th, and let me go through the details of that. Now, I've been trading for professionally over 30 years, and I've been trading options for over 25 years, so I know a lot about options, and I guess you would consider me an option expert. And my real passion or interest is weekly options. So I'm giving this boot camp Saturday, July 20th, 10 a.m. Central to 4 p.m. We usually always go over an hour, so it'll be a very small group of select traders that are really committed to learning more. You'll be with me the whole time. I'm going to go through a lot of my strategies and step-by-step how I set the trades up, how to manage them, and then we'll have a follow-up Q&A that will last around 90 minutes on Thursday, July 25th. So a few of the things that we'll cover, they're all listed on this link that you have on your email that incorporates this video, so you can go there for all this, but a few of the things we'll cover are as follows. So you're going to learn my favorite strategies that I've developed for weeklies: debit spreads, credit spreads, iron condors, butterflies, back ratio spreads. We're going to go into an in-depth case study review of trades based on key reversals, market cycles, earning trades, how to trade into earnings, what the best high volatility stocks are, how to do those trades where they're non-directional, expiration trades, volatility collapse trades, breakout volatility trades, how to use leaps and weekly options to produce income, and a whole lot more. So it's going to be packed with a lot of great strategies that will really take your trading to the next level, and you'll get a whole lot of resources out of this boot camp as well, which are as follows. So first off, you'll get your invitation to the room for the live interactive virtual webinar, and you'll get your choice of one of my signature trading courses. So we have 3 courses: one's swing trading, one's for futures day trading, one's for day trading stocks, ETFs. That's $497 on the site. You'll get my breakout scanner, which is a $400 product. Great tool for scanning for breakout trades, cycle trades from any time frame from 1 minute to 1 month. You'll get that for free. You'll get my earning game plan course. You'll get 1 month in our trading room, 3 months to my aftermarket outlook video. It's a newsletter, daily video newsletter. It comes out every day. My option trading made simple course, and our follow-up Q&A on that Thursday, plus all downloadable PowerPoints. So you'll get all of this at a very, very reasonable price. And I'm also offering a 2-pay to make it even easier for you. So go down below here and sign up, and you can go into this link and see all the details. And I hope to see you next Saturday, July 20th. And let me show you the link one more time. The link is on this email, but it's also, you can just go powercycletrading.com/bootcampweeklies, the number 2. Put that in a URL, cut it or copy it and paste it, and you're right there to sign up and see all the details of this boot camp and everything that you're offered and will receive. So good luck trading this week, and I hope to see you next Saturday, July the 20th.